Hi everybody, just want to give a quick update. I haven't really been able to work on the car that much, but today I was able to get a little bit of work done on it. I finished cutting the 62 panel off through here, a little bit of dolly and hammer action. I was able to remove that 62 line. It's going to need a little bit of bodywork, of course. And then of course down here I removed a little notch, which I still have to do right there. But it is almost ready to get the quarter panel up in position and start turning this into a 1959 Cadillac Miller-Meteor. Also, another problem that I have discovered is my bumper is way too short even with the spacer. So I'm going to have to cut the bumper and reposition, and I'm going to put a footstep right there, which was featured in the #2 car of Ghostbusters. But I'm going to add it because I don't have the correct bumper or the spacers, so it'll work out. I saw another Ecto-1 replica that did it and it looked really good, but that's all the update for now. So I'll let this dry and I will rust prep the inside, undercoat it, so because once this is on I'm never getting back into it, so do a little bit of rust protection, and once all that's done I still have to prepare that. So I want to thank everybody for following along on this adventure, for all the likes, the comments. If you guys haven't already, make sure to check out my profile, check out my other videos, smash that heart on the side over there, and don't forget to follow along to see if I'm actually going to be able to pull this off and turn this 1962 Miller-Meteor hearse ambulance into a 1959 Cadillac Ecto-1 Ghostbuster car. Thank you guys so much.